What is an average atomic mass? The average atomic mass is the weighted average of all the naturally occurring isotopes of an element. Remember, atomic mass is different from the mass number. To calculate the average atomic mass, we must know what is isotopic abundance or percent abundance. The isotopic abundance is fixed so that every sample of the element in the universe has the same proportion of isotopes. For example, a sample of the magnesium is a mixture of isotopes. Magnesium 24, which is 70%, magnesium 25, which is 10%, magnesium 26, which is 11%. What is the average atomic mass formula? So it is average atomic mass formula is equal to mass of the first isotope times the percentage abundance of the first isotope plus mass of the second isotope and the percentage of the second isotope. And if there are multiple isotopes, it will go on. Let us calculate the average atomic mass of silver. Silver has two naturally occurring isotopes. Ag107 has an abundance of 51.82% and a mass of 106.9 AMU, atomic mass unit, while the second isotope of the silver has a relative abundance of 48.18% and a mass of 108.9 AMU. To calculate it, we will first write the formula of average atomic mass, which is mass and percentage of the first isotope plus mass and percentage of the second isotope. Now, the mass is given, which is 106.9 for the first isotope times the percentage. We are going to divide the percentage by 100, 0.5182. We are going to add it with the mass and the percentage of the second isotope, which is given 108.9, and the percentage will be divided by 100. It will be 0.4818. After calculation, it will be 55.395 plus 52.468, and the answer will be 107.86 AMU, atomic mass unit, or gram per mole. So the average atomic mass of the silver will be 107.86 AMU. Let's take another example of the rubidium. Here, the two isotopes of the rubidium are given, so we are going to use the same formula, which will be average atomic mass and percentage of the first isotope plus mass and percentage of the second isotope. Now, by adding the values, 84.91 is the mass of the first isotope, and we are going to divide the percentage by 100, and we are going to get 0.722 plus the mass of the second isotope, which is given 86.91, multiplied by the percentage, which will be divided by 100. It will be 0.278. By calculating it, we are going to get 61.305 plus 24.160. The final answer will be 85.46 AMU, or gram per mole. This will be our average atomic mass of the rubidium. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button